Welcome back to Tech with Pranita. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn building aggregate function in MySQL. Aggregate functions are among the most important functions in SQL because they help us perform calculations on multiple rows of a data and returns a single result. These functions are widely used in payroll system, banking applications, school management system, hospital management system, and business reports. By the end of the video, you can understand every aggregate function with practical example. So, let's get started. Before learning the function, let's understand what the aggregate function is. An aggregate function performs calculations on a group of rows and returns one single value. For this example, suppose a company has following employee salaries like employees and multiple salaries. If you want to know total salary, average salary, highest salary, lowest salary, and number of employees, you don't know calculation this manually. So MySQL provides aggregate function for this purpose. The five main aggregate functions are: first is count, second is sum, third is average, fourth is max, and last one is a min. So let's get started. Open with Workbench. Connect your local host and select new MySQL file. Before using aggregate function, let's create a table. So first use database college DB and execute this command. Create table. Table name is employee. Open round brackets, close round brackets, and last is a semicolon. So first column name is EMPID. Data type is integer, comma. Second column name is a employee name. Data type is a varchar. Varchar size is 30, comma. Department size is, data type is varchar and size is 20, comma. Salary, data type is integer. Now execute this command. See, table is created successfully. Insert data into the table. Insert into, table name is employee and multiple rows means values can be add. First 101, comma, name Rahul, comma, department HR, comma, salary 25k. Okay. Next. Now select the query and execute. See, all rows can be added successfully. Display the table using select query. Select star from, table name is employee. Okay. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो हमने एम्प्लॉय टेबल में जो सारा डेटा ऐड किया था वो सक्सेसफुली यहाँ पे शो हो रहा है. So let's start with first aggregate function is count. So basically count function returns the number of rows. So select count in bracket star from which table? Table name is employee. See, output is 5 means there are 5 employees in the tables means 5 rows can be added in that table. Count employee in the IT department. So specific IT department can be selected. Select count star from employee where department is equal to IT. सो मुझे यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? मुझे ऐसा काउंट चाहिए कि जिनका डिपार्टमेंट सिर्फ IT हो. ऐसे कितने एम्प्लॉयज हमारे टेबल में है? तो सी ओनली 2 एम्प्लॉयज कैन बी बिलोंगिंग IT डिपार्टमेंट. So basically practical use for count employee, count student, count customer and count orders and etc. things. So second function is sum function. Sum function calculate the total values in table. Select sum in bracket salary from table name is employee. So let's see 1,45,000. This is total salary of the employee. So practically used for sum. So total salary, total sales, total marks and total revenue and etc. things you can add using the sum function. Third function is average. So basically average function calculate the average. Let's say select AVG in bracket salary from which table? Employee table. Sorry, from. Let's check. Okay, see, average of salary is this. Meanings the average salary is 29k, 29,000. So practical use for this average is average salary, average marks and average product price. Then next function is max function. Max function returns the highest value. So first select max in bracket salary from employee table. So यहाँ पे क्या शो होगा? जो हमारी सैलरी कॉलम में से जो भी सबसे हाईएस्ट या मैक्सिमम सैलरी हो वो आपको शो होगी. So see 30k is a maximum salary. This is highest salary from this table. So basically used for practical highest salary, highest marks and maximum price you can easily find out using this function max function. Next function is a mean function. Mean function return the smallest value. So select mean bracket salary from table name is employee. See, minimum salary is a 25K in that. This is lowest salary from the table. So aggregate function used for different types, using the aggregate functions like become even more powerful use with the group by clause, order clause, and where clause. Okay, this is most important five functions in aggregate function. First is a count, second is a sum, third is a average, fourth is a max, and fifth is a mean. So important points in aggregate function. First is a aggregate function returns one value. Second one, they ignore null values, expect count. Then third one is a aggregate functions are often used with group by clause, and last one is a they can mainly used for reports and data analysis. So real time example for aggregate functions. First is employee payroll system, banking application, school and college management system, hospital management system, e-commerce website, inventory management system, sales reporting, and last one is a business intelligence dashboard. So let's go. Today's we have learned first count. Count is row counts. Second sum. Sum used in calculate totals. Next one average. Average calculate average. Max is find the highest value. Mean is find the lowest value, and group by used for aggregate function. These functions are essentially for generating reports and analysis data in MySQL. Okay, if you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Comment your questions below and share with your friends. Subscribe to Tech with Pranita and press the bell icon for more tutorials in MySQL. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you.